Yes, we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today, we're actually going to talk about altcoins and what's going on with these altcoins. Are they going to continue to drop? Bitcoin dominance, and we're going to look at the charts. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you don't know who I am a professional trader. Okay, I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday. And also swing trade cryptocurrency. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button. For all you guys that's watching that replay, go check out this course right now. It's the best course on the crypto market. It's the first link below. It will show you how to read the markets, and you will learn how to make money now in the crypto markets. That's what I specialize in, guys. I specialize in making money now, okay, because I don't have time or I have time to wait for a paycheck 5 years from now, 10 years from now. Okay, the rich guys are making money now. I want to copy those guys, right? So if you definitely want to learn about that, hit that subscribe button right now. How I'm able to do this full time from home. Okay, living that laptop life. All right. So let's get the party started. If you're watching that replay, hit settings, hit 1.5 or 2. To speed up the replay, turn a half-an-hour video into a 15-minute video. During this live stream, of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay, so let's get to the charts. Let's talk about it. Let's see if I see anybody here so far. Okay, I see a couple of people here. We're going to pop this out. And also, we are going to look at CoinMarketCap. So let's get the party started. So, CoinMarketCap. The market cap is at 332 billion. Okay, Bitcoin dominance, it's at 64.9, basically 65%. Right? We talked about this dominance before, over and over and over. I talked about how when it comes to dominance, I'm very bullish because I believe we are going to continue to go up when it comes to the dominance. Right? If you look at the pattern, okay, we had a breakout right here. Right here, we had a breakout, and we broke out right here. We are continuing to go up, and let me show you right here. You see this peak right here? All right, this is where most likely we will go, and the top of that is, I don't know, I think it's 67 or something like that, or 65. Okay, so 65. So most likely we're going to break that, go to 67, and most likely go to 70%. Now, once we get to that 70% mark, we have to see where Bitcoin wants to go because overall, I believe that the dominance will continue to creep up. All right. And let me see here. Overall, we just had a drop. Okay. Had a drop, and let me see. Yeah. So everything is dropping today, all right, and that's what the market loves to do. So we're gonna look at the coin, the chart, and we're gonna look at what's really going on in the market. Now, last time we went live, I talked about how I am expecting a sell-off, okay, another low, and Bitcoin actually found support right here, right, consolidated right here and broke out of this nice little triangle, whatever you want to call it, right? Now, I didn't go live for a couple of days, okay? But I told my private group, okay, when I had the private live streams, that I'm expecting Bitcoin, if it does go up, is most likely going to go up very sloppy, okay? It's not going to go straight up. Okay, and that's what we're having right now. We're having a sloppy up move. Okay, most likely we're going to continue to pull back. Now, we have to see if this is almost like a double top situation because we have to find support. Okay, that's the main thing right now. Bitcoin has to find support so we can continue this up move. If we don't find support, okay, we will look like these other altcoins that's literally dying. So Bitcoin has to find support, but overall, If it does go up, it's going to be a sloppy up move, in my opinion. Okay, it's going to be a sloppy up move. Okay, very sloppy. Maybe go up. Okay, now if we go up, we have to see if it can actually go up high, because I mean, just because it makes a new high doesn't mean anything. It's just we have to, look at it and see if it wants to continue to go up. Now, this whole move right here, we all find a resistance at that previous mark, all right, around 12,000, okay, all the way to 13,000. Okay, that was the last resistance. So we are finding resistance or having problems getting over that level. Okay, sellers are coming in, all right, and we have to see if we can actually hold support somewhere around this area right here, maybe 11,000. Okay, but if we can't, then most likely we will see lower lows. It's just what it is. Now let's go to these other altcoins, because this is kind of crazy. Litecoin on one of these platforms, I don't know if they clean it up. What platform was that? I mean, Litecoin dipped all the way down. Here we go. You see this crap? Litecoin dipped all the way down to $70. Like, I'm quite sure that was a glitch somewhere, but that is crazy. But anyway, Litecoin did hit lower lows, so we made a lower low. Okay, let's go to another one. We made a lower low on Litecoin. Okay, so this is the lower low that I was expecting Bitcoin to hit. We actually making these lower lows on these other cryptocurrencies. Okay, so we just have to wait and figure out what the market wants to do. It all depends on if Bitcoin wants to hold support somewhere around 11,000. But the whole situation with this is we are starting to see some type of selling, and the market is actually looking kind of like it might, the bears might be creeping in a little bit. We had a major sell-off, consolidation right here, another sell-off. So those patterns right there is showing us that's a possibility. Okay, the bears might be creeping in and trying to take over this whole situation. So you have to be careful. Now let's go with Ethereum. Let's see what's going on with this. Ethereum looks like it's going to make another low right here. Okay, and like I told you guys before, when I first went live, last time I went live, I told you guys I'm definitely expecting new lows, another low. Okay, so it looks like Ethereum might hit that new low, just like Litecoin did. Let's see what's going on with these other cryptos. All right, this definitely looks like it's going to hit a new low. Actually, we hit a new low right here. This doesn't look good either. This looks like a breakdown, consolidation right here, break, consolidation, and continuation. All right. So these patterns right now that we are seeing doesn't look too good right now. This going on with Tron TRX. Not really going on. It looks like it created a nice little head and shoulders. So we will see if that's going to play out. Let's go with XRP. Shout out to all my XRP holders and XRP subscribers, man. This is a lesson. I hope you guys are learning from this. All right, this is why I always tell you guys not to go all in. Okay, this is a perfect example. XRP is a perfect example why I tell you guys not to go all in. Okay. Some of you guys do not have financial education, which is fine. Sometimes when I first started out, I went all in, okay? And I had to learn the hard way. But once you gain that financial education, you realize going all in is actually the wrong thing to do. You have to spread out your money and also keep money on the side for any type of emergencies, right? And also, you should have another strategy in the background that's going to help you make short-term gains. All right. Now this is for the XRP holders. It's looking ugly right here. We have to, Bitcoin has to find support somewhere for you guys to get back up. Okay, so if Bitcoin finds support, hopefully we can go back up with XRP. But right now, as we speak, this is looking real ugly, and it looks like it could definitely hit the lows, the all-time lows, if this continue, right? If this, if they continue to sell off, which is an ugly, situation. But anyway, so we're gonna definitely look at, we're gonna go over some questions, guys. We're gonna go over some questions, and I hope you guys can hear me. I didn't even check my audio. Let me make sure my audio is good. I didn't even check it. All right, I think it's good. You guys can hear me. Audio is good. I didn't even check it. I mean, I remember last time I went live, and my mic wasn't even on, and it was crazy. Alrighty here. So, all right, cool. So you guys can hear me. So guys, if you have any questions, type it in. You know how this live stream works. Basically, I interact with you guys. I answer questions, and we go from there. All right. I answer questions. We go from there. We bounce ideas back and forth, and I tell you guys what I think. But if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I have going on 12 years of experience when it comes to the markets. I specialize in making money now, so I don't really get caught up in the hype. Okay, the hype is pretty much, Bitcoin is going to $1 million or Bitcoin is going to 100K. I don't really get too caught up with that hype because I don't really care too much about 5 years, 10 years down the road, because in my opinion, I think it's much easier to predict what's going to happen 2 days from now, a week from now, even a month from now. Okay, when you go too far in the future, things could get real cloudy. So, if you look at the rich guys, they have short-term and long-term, plans. And the way the crypto market, if you look at the crypto market, they only focus on the long term. They don't even care about short term. Okay. There's nothing wrong with doing long term, but if you just only do long term and you don't focus on short term, it's going to be very hard to really brag about any type of gains. So let's go to some questions, and we're going to go from there. But let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Let me see here. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Okay. And also, guys, if you have any questions, type it in, please. All right. So let's go to the questions. Let's look at these guys, and let's see what's going on here in my chat room. All right. So we have Who Flung. What's going on? Philip V. Boop. Dan. What's going on, guys? G. Baker. All right. Bobby. Good to see you guys here. I appreciate it. All right. So let's see if I see any questions here. Philip said back to 10K support. Possibility. Okay, we have to see. Okay, we have to see. But what I'm looking at, okay, is I'm looking at the altcoins right now. All right. When I usually make my decisions, especially when it comes to a bear decision, right? Not really bullish decisions, but a bear decision. Okay, I'm looking at the altcoins because usually the altcoins lead and Bitcoin follows. All right, so far the altcoins are telling me that this is looking ugly, and most likely Bitcoin will continue to go lower. Let me see here. Boop said, I'm so glad I took profits, man. That's the name of the game, bro. That's the name of the game. You have to take profits. Okay. What's going on, Danny? Good to see you here. ADA. What about ADA? ADA. Let's see what's going on here. ADA broke out. It was a fake breakout. We tried once. We tried twice. Actually, we tried like multiple times, and it couldn't hold. I mean, it was you know, it was looking real good because Bitcoin was going up nicely. So if you took this trade, you know, there's nothing wrong with this trade. It was a nice, solid triangle. It didn't work out. Okay? Just what it is. Now, if you don't have my course, my new course, I explain to you guys how to get out a situation like this, okay? If you took this breakout right here, you could have got out with a small loss. And I explained that to my private group. But overall, you know, this is a decent trade. It just didn't work out, you know. It is what it is. Okay. Now the tables are turning, and looks like, you know, sellers is trying to come back in. Most likely, we probably go back to this low right here, and we have to see if we're going to find support right here. All right. If we go back to this low, this could be support right here, right? And we'll see if we can bounce off to support and hold it. That's the next step for the buyers, right? We have to hold support. If we don't hold support, okay, then the sellers are in control. It's just how it works. So we have to hold support, right? Let's go back to these other questions here. Leonard said Bitcoin is a beast. I don't think we are too worried about these pullbacks. Just hodl. It's going to 100K. That's all we need to know and look forward. Yes. Leonard, you sound like everybody else in the crypto world. And once you sound like everyone else, you know, you're going to get average results. Okay? It's just how it works, bro. You know? And you're going to get average results once you sound like everyone else. So, if you are thinking that things will never happen and this is just an average pullback and we can't go lower, then you are one of those guys that will always get caught off guard. Okay, the market loves to catch you off guard, and this is what's going on right now. You see how these cryptocurrencies are selling off. They're catching a lot of people off guard, and you know, we have to hope. Okay, I hate to use that word, but I don't have to hope. Okay, but the guys that's hodling, you have to hope that these levels will hold. Okay, these support levels will hold. Right. All right. But no, it's you know, it's not just all about hodling. You have to learn how to read the charts. You can't get around that. All right. Jay Khan said I went all in on ADA. All in is $500 for me. I mean, at least that's not a lot of money. Okay, I don't know your age. Okay, I'm quite sure you can make that back up, working, you know, and saving up. But for the most part, you know, people, you don't want to go all in. I like support at 11.5. Yeah, it's a possibility we can have some support right there. Crypto Truth. All right. How do you like 11.5 for support? I said, yeah. That's pretty good. I mean, we have to see if it's going to hold support. I'm reading these questions right now, guys. James Vane, will BTC follow Litecoin pattern dumps below 10K soon? That is very possible. Okay, we talked about that earlier. Okay, how when it comes to the market and when it turned bearish, right? I usually follow the altcoins because they are leading indicators. Okay, Bitcoin lags. So the altcoin basically leads the market. So Litecoin is actually Litecoin right now, and these other cryptocurrencies are making new lows. So yes, I do expect Bitcoin to probably make a new low if we don't find support. Bitcoin dominance is causing altcoins to stay up. What's going on, Mike? You've been shorting Tron with BTC, Tron. Okay, that's what's up, bro. Is it smart to stay out the altcoins right now? Danny, you sound like you're basically you're hodling, right? So if you're hodling, the best thing to do is just learn how to read the charts, so you can make your decisions based on that, because it all depends on your situation. I don't know your situation, meaning that I don't know how much you're up. I don't know, what altcoins you're in, the price that you got in at. I always tell my subscribers and my students it's best to learn how to take profits. You can always get back in the market. Okay. And read these comments real quick, guys. Joseph said, "Hey, hi. I would like you to give me some ways to take profits. How to get out?" Okay, Joseph. You have to. First of all, that's a hard question to answer, because I don't know exactly where you got in, what coin you bought. But you have to have a plan, Joseph, okay, before you get in. Okay, so for example, let's say that you bought at 14,000, all right. It's really no plan, or well, we didn't even go to 14. Let's say you bought at the higher. This is like 13.8, right? Well, that's, I mean, from the word go, you bought too high, okay. So it's very hard to tell you, hey man, you should get out here, when you bought at the high and you messed up from the word go. So it's very hard to tell you when to take profits or anything like that. You have to have a plan before you go in, okay? And you have to know when to get in and different things like that. Okay, that's why I have this course, okay, to help you guys out. So I don't know exactly where you got in. So it's very hard to, help you on that. And for you guys that are new and tuning in, hit that subscribe button right now, guys. All right? I've been doing this for 12 years. I'm a full-time trader. This is what I do from home, right? I live that laptop lifestyle, and I only look at the charts. I don't care about no news. I don't care about what these guys are saying on YouTube. I just look at the charts and make my decisions based on that. Okay, so if you guys want to learn more about that, just check out my course. I usually give you guys these, we call that the live stream discount. So here's that live stream discount, all right, for you guys. All right. So here it is, live stream discount. If you want to learn how I'm doing this, okay, full time. If you want to learn how you can do this full time, right? This comes with strategies that I use, and you will be able to take advantage of the bull market and the bear market. All right. Most people only know how to make money if the market goes up. That's why most people are losers. Okay, because they don't prepare for the recession. Okay, the rich guys always know how to extract money when the market or the economy is bad. Okay, you have to learn how to make money in a bad economy. If you don't, you're gonna be like another average Joe, always blaming someone else for your problems. So check that out. You will learn how to make money now in the crypto market, right? I actually had a private mentorship for 1 month, okay, and I explained to the private group how I navigate, how I take my trades, how I exit, right? Everything. You would get all those recordings, okay? So the link is below. And shout out to everybody that's taking advantage of that. Bitcoin is still consolidating. Yeah, I mean, basically, we probably going to consolidate for another, I don't know, a week or two. We'll see. Guys, if you have any questions, type it in. All right. I'm reading these questions, guys. Give me a second. Beach Life. I can't understand how people can hold for 1 year and just watch coins sitting there. Shout out to you, bro. I hear you, man. You know, I mean, a lot of people are, in my opinion, lazy. Okay, so they don't have no choice. They don't know. They don't want to do anything else. They just want to make money without doing work. I don't know any millionaire that basically got millions or have millions and continue to make millions without doing work. All right. So it is what it is. But if this is a sell-off, okay, if this is a real sell-off, it's going to catch a lot of people off guard. Okay, right now a lot of people are too cocky. Okay, too cocky right now. I know a lot of people are probably going all in at certain levels, right? And I told you guys before, okay, this is not a real bull market until we break these highs. Okay, we got to break these highs right here. Okay, I know your favorite YouTuber is not going to tell you that, but because he don't want to tell you that, he wanted to hype things up, or he doesn't know. But in order for this to be a real bull market, we have to break this high right here. All right. Right now, all the altcoins are looking suspect, making new lows, making bearish patterns. So you just got to be careful, right? In my opinion, I don't believe a lot of you guys actually had enough pain during the bear market. So another leg down wouldn't surprise me. Okay, another leg down wouldn't surprise me because most of you guys didn't go through a lot of pain, especially the way you guys are acting right now. Like a lot of you guys literally forgot about the bear market, and you know, really. So we have the Litecoin happening right now. Is looking like buy the rumor, sell the news. Litecoin is selling off right now. We will see how low this thing will go, or we will see if we can find support right here. Okay, we will see if Litecoin can actually find support right here. It's a possibility. Okay, because Bitcoin looks like it could actually find support somewhere. Right? It all depends on Bitcoin at the end of the day. Let me see if I see any questions here. I used to be that guy until I started watching Ben's channel and I learned how to read the charts. Just recently started trading and I have been very successful, man. Shout out to Philip. Basically, you know, a lot of people, we have been brainwashed to only think buy and hold is the best way to go. All right. And it's actually on purpose, guys. All right. The rich guys do not want us to learn how to make money from the markets, because they profit from the average guy holding, you know, stocks or coins. Okay, because when the market starts to sell off, okay, they need to make money, and the only way they make money is they have to take your money, right? So the guys that's holding, all right, those are the guys that they basically taking money from them. And they don't want to show you how they are doing it. So they don't promote that. They don't promote short-term gains or short-term profits. They promote, hey man, just hold for the long term. Okay, suffer. I mean, you're gonna suffer during the bear market, but hey man, you know. And in my opinion, you should have multiple strategies. Most people are lazy. Shout out to everybody that's, you know, you're getting the course. If you don't have the course by now, check it out. All right. If you want to learn how to make money now from the markets, whether it's going up or down, that's what I specialize in. So check that out. If you have any questions, you can email me. Let's see if I see any more questions before we in this live stream. A lot of us have dropped below the long-term support here. Look at you said TRX what? BTC. What about TRX BTC? You said $270. You said they broke it. I don't know what it means right now. We have to see if we could find support right here. All right. Just take it day by day. We'll see if, find support. Hey, what's going on? Swazza, what's going on, bro? You said you saw you missed. Nah, no problem. I'm about to get off anyway soon. Hey Ben, do you think Hey Ben, do you think we could still be in a bear market? Shout out to you, BTC Jason. Yes, Jason. Yeah, I tell my subscribers we are still in the bear market until we crack this high. Okay. Most people will never tell you that because most people do not do this full time. They don't do it for a living. They don't pay their bills doing this. So most people don't know what they're talking about anyway. Okay. Most people are saying we're in the bull market, whatever. Okay. Whatever you want to, whatever sounds good to make their subscribers happy, they're going to say. Okay. I'm not really trying to make people happy. I'm trying to tell people the truth. All right. And just trying to help people make money now from the markets. Now, even though we're still in the bear market, you can still make money, okay, from this short-term momentum, and we've been doing that. Okay, if you've been watching my videos, you know that we've been going long, and you can still make money. But at any moment, we can actually find resistance like we're doing right now, and turn right back around. All right, and you have to be prepared for that if you are a investor or a trader, right? That's why it's very important to learn how to read the charts. See, a lot of long-term investors are lazy. They think they don't need to read the charts because they feel like, okay, I'm in it for the long term. I don't have to learn how to read the charts. That honestly, guys, that's the worst thing you could do. Okay, you think Warren Buffett doesn't know how to read the charts? I can guarantee you, if you call him up right now and ask Warren Buffett, do you understand how to read the charts? He will say yes. Okay, why? Is because he wants to master whatever he's trying to do. All right. Even though he's a long-term investor and he probably doesn't make his main decisions based on the charts, he still knows how to read the charts. Most crypto investors do not want to master their craft, and that's why most of these guys will eventually lose. If you look at these altcoins right now, they are looking sloppy. So it could the tables could turn and things could get real rough right now, right? And this is all because you don't know how to read the charts. Everything is based on, man, my favorite YouTuber told me to do this, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go all in. All right, no problem. But I'm about to get out of here. Let me see if I see any more questions before we get out of here. Hey everyone, do yourself a favor. Get Ben's course. It's true. It's a true long-term investment in yourself, man. Shout out to Swazza. He actually one of my day trading students and my crypto student. So shout out to him. Let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. Okay. All right. So, if you guys have any more questions, type it in. We're about to wrap this up. I appreciate you guys coming through. Hope you guys had a great weekend, actually. And hit that subscribe button if you're new. Right? Like always, improve, study, practice. Make sure that you become a better investor, a better person, a better trader. Okay, grow as an individual, guys. All right. Talk to you guys later. Make sure you pick up that course. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me see if I see any more. I think I see a couple of questions. Let me see. Thanks, Ben. You are one of the only honest crypto YouTuber. I just want to gamble with my. I just don't want to gamble with my money. BTC, Jason, what do you mean by that? Gamble with your money? Okay, you said I just don't want to gamble with my money. What do you mean by that, BTC, Jason? Are you in any swings right now? No, I'm not in any swings right now. Right? Jab, how much is your training course? Jab, favor, my training course for the crypto market is $199, but this is only live on a live stream. Okay, so once I get off a live stream, it goes to $249, which is the original price. All right, I give you guys a live stream discount. Would you get it for $199, which is honestly, it's no money. I mean, that's very affordable. But once I get off for the live stream, it goes back to the original price is $249, which is still affordable. So go check that out. It comes with a Discord. It also comes with my strategies, how I'm able to do this, how I'm able to do this full time. I actually did a live private stream last month, right? And basically it was for 4 weeks, and we went over the chart live, and I was giving them how I look at the market, right? And giving them my thought process. And also I went into how I feel about the crypto market, what I really think what's going to happen, blah, blah, blah. But if you want to learn how to read the charts and learn how to make money now, that's what I specialize in. That's the course for you. Let me see if I see any more. All these other YouTubers saying BTC will hit 100K, and to buy at these levels is too risky. Well, you said you don't want to take a gamble, okay? Oh, you're talking about buying at these levels just in case Bitcoin go to 100K. Well, Bitcoin Jason, you have to learn how to read a chart because once you understand how to read the chart, it's that gambling mentality or gambling period, it goes out the window, okay? You're not gambling anymore. You're actually taking calculated risk. So, just by reading your comments, I can tell that you don't know how to read a chart yet. So learn how to read a chart, bro. Okay, it will help you out tremendously. I don't care if you're doing long term or short term. It will help you out. And you don't want to go all in. Okay, you don't want to go all in. It's just how it works. So it seems like you're trying to go all in, and you really don't want to do that, bro. Because if Bitcoin decides to drop right here, you're buying right at the top. You want to learn how to trade, how to recharge, just get Ben's products. A calculated risk is not a gamble. Applying knowledge, experience. Yes, that's very true, bro. Okay, because sometimes I'm surprised how I'm able to extract money from the markets, consistently, week after week. Sometimes I still have to pinch myself to make sure if this is real or not. Okay, it's very doable. Okay, you just have to study, practice, put in the time, and get the right information. All right, so guys, I appreciate it. Let me see if I see any more questions. Do you think that it will drop below the point where the charts pull back in the beginning of the May? In May, let me see, May. Well, we have to wait. I mean, that's too drastic right now. Okay, I have to look at more information, or Bitcoin has to give me more information. Right now, it's telling me that it's a little bit too low. Okay, but if Bitcoin starts to drop and start to give me bearish behavior or patterns, then we can look at that. But right now, you know, that is a little bit too low right now. Okay. But anyway, guys, appreciate you guys tuning in. If you have any questions, you can email me. Talk to you guys later. Hit that subscribe button. Shout out to all my new subscribers. I appreciate all you guys. All right. Tune in. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day. And make sure you study and practice. All right. Talk to you guys later. And hit that subscribe.